Good morning, students. So your unit test is have already started. So listen here, we will have the revision. So today we will have the revision of tenses. We have done this last month. So today again we will have the revision of tenses. Listen here. So before going to the tenses, we know it that what is our first person, second person, and third person. Okay, first person, then second person, and third person. So we know it that is I and we is the first person singular plural. Okay. You is second person. You is singular as well as plural, but grammatically you is always considered as plural. And third person, that is he, she, it. And in plural you will get they. So it is our singular and plural. So we have done this first person I, we, second person you is always considered plural, and we denote when we denote to a singular person we say you, and he, she, it, third person singular, and there is plural. So this we know it, we have studied this. Then auxiliary verb or the helping verbs, auxiliary or helping verbs, which we will need in the tenses. So helping verbs, so they are am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, shall. Auxiliary or the helping verbs. So these are our auxiliary or the helping verbs. We have done the second topic before dealing with the tenses. Second one, third topic, that is our verb forms. So there are four forms of verbs we have done it, that is present, then past participle, and then present participle. So these four forms of the verb we have done. So V1, V2, V3 and V4. So we have four forms of the verbs V1, V2, V3 and V4. So here, so when we are doing with these four forms of the verbs, that is V1, V2, V3 and V4. So whatever when the verb ends with the ed, so that is verb. When it ends with the ed, its third form is also the same ed only, and verb. So these are our four main forms of the verb. Fifth and sixth you might be studying their fifth forms, that is the S form, and the sixth form, that is the infinitive form. Okay. So suppose it is sing, then sang, sung, and singing. So in this way we have done last time the verb forms also. So today we are going to do with the tenses, how the tenses works, we know it. So first we will come to know these topics. Is it clear to you? I think so now this topic is clear to you. We will move towards the tenses revision. Okay. So that is tenses. Again we are going to do with the tenses. Let me clear the blackboard for you so that it will be more clear to you. And it is raining heavily, so we have the problem in the net. Now listen here. Three tenses are there: present, past, and future. Present tense is divided into four types: past into four, future into four. So in all we have 12 tenses. So we will do one by one. Today we are going to discuss the present tense. Present tense is divided into four types. So that is, listen here all of you. First one, simple present tense. In simple present tense, we have no auxiliary verb and main verb it is in the first one. In simple present tense, no auxiliary verb and main verb it is in the first one. So here we will have to see that is I, we, you, and they. that is do the work. Do the work. I will move, they do the work. All these four things will run together. That is, I do the work, we do the work, you do the work, and they do the work. But only with the third person singular, that is he, she, it. He, she, it does the work. Okay? He, she, it does the work. Here we will use with the third person singular. Okay, with the third person singular, he, she, it, we will use S form. S form because this is only for the simple present tense. And instead of pronouns, if there are nouns, Ramu does the work, Hari does the work. Okay, nouns also. My mother cooks the food. So whatever the third person singular, we will use the S form. This is our simple present tense. Second one we will see here. That is present. Present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, since it is continuous, it is also known as the progressive tense. We call it as progressive tense. Here the auxiliary verbs are am, is, or are, depending upon the subject, and meaning that it is in the fourth form. Fourth form is the present participle form, the ing form. So as it is continuous or progressive tense, we have to use the fourth form. So with I, it is I am playing or I am doing the work. Okay? And with singular, that is he, she, it. He, she, it is doing the work. Okay? Is doing the work. And we, you, they. We, you, they, as it is plural, so there it will be are doing the work. Are doing the work or are playing. Okay, so this will be our sentence. So can you see it here? Auxiliary verb and is are depending upon the subject. What is the subject? The person who is the doer of the action. That is the subject. And main verb, it is in the fourth form. As it is continuous or progressive, main verb will be always in the fourth form or the present participle form. Then the next one we are going to do is, yes, we will do it. Third one. That is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we have two auxiliary verbs, that is has and have. So auxiliary verbs, that is has or have, depending upon the subject, and main verb in the perfect tense, it is in the third form. So main verb, it is in the third form in the perfect. When we talk only about the perfect tense, main verb will be in the third form. And whenever the word continuous will be used, the main verb will be in the fourth form. Okay. So now here two auxiliary verbs are there, has and have. Has for singular. Okay. Has for singular, and have is for plural and are. So these also we have to keep in mind. Has is for singular and have is for plural and are. So has is for singular. Okay. So now with the singular we will use it has and main verb in the third form. That is he, she, it. He, she, it has done the work. For singular it is has, main verb in the third form. Okay. And with plural and are, it is are plus plural, that is we, you, and they. That is have done the work. Okay. Now fourth one we will come with the present perfect continuous tense. So that is the present tense is divided into four types, and see here what types of auxiliary verbs we are using and the main verb. So again, present perfect continuous, the word continuous is here. Present perfect. Present perfect continuous tense. So here the auxiliary verbs are has been and have been. What are the auxiliary verbs? Has been. Depending upon the subjects, auxiliary verbs are there and have been. And main verb as it is continuous, so main verb will be in the fourth form. Okay. So here two auxiliary verbs again has been, have been, and main verb in the fourth form. Perfect continuous. So continuous word is there, so main verb will be in the fourth form. Only perfect if you find it, main verb will be in the third form. So again has been for the singular and have been for the plural and I. So he, she, it. He, she, it, that is singular, has been playing. Okay, he, she, it has been playing or doing the work. Whatever it is, you may add the sentence. Then with the I and you, I plus plural, that is we, you, they have been playing. We, you, they have been playing. Okay. So here we have seen that the simple present tense, then present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. If this is clear, then you find with the past tense also. Present tense divided into four types. See here again. In the simple present tense, no auxiliary verb. AB means that is the auxiliary verb. MB means that is the main verb. Okay, no auxiliary verb and main verb, it is in the first form. So here with the I, we, you, they do the verb, but only with the third person singular we use the S form. Okay, third person singular we use S form. Here instead of pronouns there can be the nouns also, as I told you. Present continuous is also known as a progressive tense. So present continuous tense, auxiliary verbs and is are, and main verb it is in the fourth form. Whenever you will see the continuous or the progressive verb, main verb will be in the fourth form. The ing form, the present participle form. Okay. Now auxiliary verb here and is are depending upon the subject. I am playing. He, she, it, that is singular. So that is here you will get it is doing the work, and we, you, they, plural are doing the work. Main verb in the fourth form. Present perfect tense. Now listen here, in present perfect tense we have two auxiliary verbs, has and have. Has for singular and have for plural and I. And main verb it is in the third form because it is only perfect tense. Okay, so main verb in the perfect tense, the main verb will be in the third form. So he, she, it has done the work, and I, we, you, they have done the work. So this is exceptional that with I also we are using have. Okay, we are not at all using has with I. I has no, I have always. Present perfect continuous tense. So the auxiliary verbs are have been and has been, and the main verb it is in the fourth form. Have been, has been, and the main verb it is in the fourth form. So with the singular again we use has been, and with the plural have been. Plural and I we use have been. So that is he, she, it has been playing, or with the plural and I, we, you, they have been playing. So we have done with the present tense. So tomorrow we are going to do with the past tense and then the future tense. Okay, past tense very easy as you know. Again the past tense is divided into four types, and then we will continue simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So in all we have to do 12 tenses. So the question may be asked, rewrite this sentence. Suppose the sentence is given, I like football. Okay, so this is our simple present tense, and it will be given, rewrite the sentence in present perfect continuous. So in present perfect continuous, you have to remember that is two auxiliary verbs are there, has been, have been. So with I, what we are using? I have been. Okay, I like football, so I have been liking football. In this way, main verb will be in the continuous form. Continuous means that is a progressive also. Sometimes you may see the word there. So this tense in the exam, it will come for the 1 mark, and you will be asked there, verb will be underlined. State the tense of the underlined verb, or sometimes the question may be, rewrite the sentence. If it is given in past tense, rewrite the sentence in present continuous tense or any other sense. So that change of tense is also there. So this question very important, as it is the base of all the grammar. Until and unless we know the tenses, we cannot do well in the writing skill also. So these tenses are useful in writing skill in each and every. So what we have to use? Auxiliary verbs and the main verb. If we are talking about the perfect, then main verb will be in the third form. So sometimes we do make mistakes in the main verbs. So there, if these tenses are clear, so we can avoid those mistakes. So tenses, this is the basic concept of the grammar, and we should always start with the tenses. So tomorrow we are going to do past tense. Okay, till then, goodbye. And we will again revise past tense tomorrow and future tense. Okay, bye everyone. Take care, all of you.